Hi friends, this is my second YouTube video, and before entering into the video, let me thank you first of all for giving me enormous amount of support for my first video. Okay, let us move to the video. Before entering into the video, let us give the overview of the first video. The first video, you will be going to run command and typing percentage temp percentage, and which will open you the window so that you will clear all the data in the temporary folder and speeding up your system by freeing the hard disk space. And second step is you will go to the run command and type just temp alone, and which will also open another temporary files folder, and you'll delete and freed up the another temporary folders. A third step is in the run command you will type prefetch, and it will ask for the special permission. By clicking on the continue, you will be opening the prefetch window, and inside the window you'll clear all those data and you freed up the space inside the prefetch window. Okay, and the last step is like you'll open the run command and type msconfig. In the msconfig window you will be selecting the services. By in the services you will hide all the Microsoft services and disable all unwanted services, and you will just click OK to restart your computer. Let us move to the today's video. We'll by this video we'll see how to increase the system performance just performing the simple task. Let us move to the video directly. Okay, initially you just open the my computer icon, which will found on your system desktop. Let us show you how. I'm minimizing this window and opening my computer. In the my computer window you can see system properties. In the second tab you just open system properties, and by opening the system properties you will having a control panel home. In the fourth option, which is additional system setting option, you just click and open the additional system option, which will open you the system properties window. Inside the system properties window you just move on to the advanced tab. Inside the advanced tab you can find the performance option. The performance option, you just click on the settings, which will open you the performance option settings, and there are a few settings like adjust for best appearance and adjust for best performance and customization. And here we are going to choose adjust for best performance option, so that if I choose adjust for best performance option, let me show you how the system appearance will be. I'm clicking on apply, and I'm clicking on the OK. The once I choose adjust for best performance, the system will be appearing like this, which looks like a old system. So increasing the system theme and animation and all, I'm just enabling the only two features, which is nothing but I'm just choosing enable desktop composition option inside the custom box, and the other option is use visual style for windows and buttons. I'm just choosing these two option, and by enabling just these two option, our computer will be looking as previous one, but the system of the system performance will get increased in the tremendous way. Let me close and open this window again, which will show you how the windows appearance has been changed again. You can see the windows option and buttons, animation themes and everything have come back, but I have enabled only these two steps. By enabling these two steps you can see the system performance will get increased to the greater extent like your brand new PC. And the one more thing I wish to say, in this option I have enabled only these two options, but it's up to you to choose what are all the option you need. You just go through what is written over there, animations and all, and you just click on what are all the option you need and just click apply and OK. Let us move to the second step, which is nothing but go to the start menu and just type CLEAN in this stop menu, so that you will be you will be getting a disk cleanup window. In the disk cleanup window, defaultly it will be a C drive, so you can choose any other drive you just need to clean. In this C drive, D drive and E drive is there in my system, so I am choosing E drive first. By choosing E drive, there is nothing there in my E drive. So I'm closing this window, and again I'm just going back to the start menu, and I'm just trying to open the clean window again. I just as you see now, after by choosing C drive, the window will come up like this, by which will show you it will be calculating the temporary files and dump files in your C drive, and finally it will come up with the size of the C drive, which will be size of the unwanted files in your C drive, which will show up in the next window. In this window, you can see disk cleanup option. In the top of the window, you can see like 1.92 GB of disk space on C drive, which literally means like there are 1.92 GB of disk space which is occupied by unnecessary files in your system. You can just go through what are all the list of icons and list of unnecessary files in this checkbox, and based on your options, you just click on the enable checkbox icon, and click OK to delete all the unnecessary files from your hard disk C drive. So by performing this operation, you can free up to 1.92 GB in my computer, because I am doing this operation regularly, so this space is very less. Maybe in your computer you can see the large files are residing in your computer for a long time. It might have around 10 GB of data, 20 GB of data, based on the system usage that you are handling right now. And the third step is again open run command and type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl, so which will open you the control panel window, and in this window you can be able to see what are all the softwares that you have been installed in your computer. You just scroll down and see what are all the list of softwares that has been installed in your computer. There might be certain software which has been installed, like when you are downloading certain softwares from some other website, like add-on softwares, ask toolbars, pandora service, like many softwares will get installed in your computer without your knowledge. So you just find what are all the unnecessary softwares, or what are all the softwares that you are not going to use frequently. You just click on the software, and once you click on the software, you will find the uninstall option on the top of the window. As you see, by clicking uninstall, you can uninstall the unwanted softwares from your computer, and you can free up more space. And now let us move to the last and final step, which is nothing but open run command and type services.msc, services.msc, and just by typing this services.msc and clicking OK, you will come up with the window services window, which will open you the system services running on your system background. Let us open, and this is a services window, and in this window we are just going to disable the Windows update, because Windows update, which will also will slow down your PC just by grabbing more internet data from internet automatically. You can see like startup type is automatic delayed start, and you can see if you click the drop down list box, means you can see like many options are there inside that startup type, which may be manual or automatic delayed start, or disable, like that. Based on your requirement, you just go ahead and choose what option you just need, and just apply and OK. By applying this facilities, you will prevent automatic system updates, and make the system updates doing manually, so that your computer will be idle without performing any task, so that you can increase the system performance, which will be reserved for your own use. And this is how you can tweak your PC by performing a simple steps, and the system performance will be increased to the greater extent. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, please do subscribe my channel for more tech videos, and let us meet in the next useful video. Thank you.